Hello everyone, welcome. I share with you all the details of how to make a real Suphangle at home. Ingredients for making Suphangle: 1100 grams of milk, 5 glasses, 6 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of cocoa, 2 spoons of butter, 100 grams of dark chocolate and milk chocolate mixed, 1 glass of ice water, 3 spoons of flour, 2 egg yolks, earthenware bowls, simple cake supplies for Suphangle, 2 spoons of liquid sunflower oil, 2 spoons of yogurt, 4 spoons of milk, 5 grams of baking powder, 5 grams of vanilla powder, 3 spoons of flour, to be full, half a spoonful of cocoa, 2 spoons of sugar, 2 egg whites. Separate 2 egg whites and yolks first. Add the egg yolks to the pan and the whites to the mixing bowl. Before Suphangle, make a simple cake, add 2 spoons of sugar to the egg white and whisk. Add milk, yogurt and liquid sunflower oil. Add 3 tablespoons of full flour. Add baking powder and vanilla. Add cocoa. You can make a white colored cake or a cocoa cake, use it if you have a cake at home, you don't need to remake. Add baking paper into the cake tin and add the mixture, bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Add 6 spoons of sugar to 2 egg yolks to make a Suphangle. Add 3 spoons of flour. Add 3 spoons of cocoa. First add 2 cups of milk and mix. Add the rest of the milk, add a total of 5 cups of cold milk mix. Stir constantly over high heat and wait for it to boil. The cake is taken out of the oven, enough cake to insert into Suphangle. Turn off the fire after the dessert boils. I did not use very intense dark cocoa, the color looks very good. Add the butter and chocolate and mix. Slice the cake and make it ready. Add ice water at this stage. Beat with mixer for 2 minutes. Add the cake slices to the bowls. Add Suphangle. Eight bowls of dessert were made in total. You can use such materials to decorate. Add coconut. Serve after cooling, more delicious after waiting one night. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.